Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip back to the golden era of American luxury with a deep dive into the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, a car that wasn't just transportation, it was a statement of power, prestige, and innovation. Let's break it all down, starting with that unforgettable design. Exterior. The exterior of the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado is pure elegance with a bold attitude. It carries a sleek, low-slung profile that stretches nearly 224 inches, making it one of the most commanding coupes of its time. The front end features a wide, imposing grille with hidden headlights, a design that screams sophistication while maintaining a futuristic edge for the late 60s. Clean, sharp lines run along the body, giving it a sense of motion even when parked. The long hood and short rear deck follow classic Cadillac proportions, and those vertical taillights at the back became an Eldorado signature. Riding on 15-inch wheels with polished hubcaps and wrapped in whitewall tires, this car defines luxury and road presence like few others. Interior. Moving inside, the interior is a sanctuary of comfort and refinement. Step in, and you're greeted by plush bench seats covered in rich leather or optional brocade fabric, depending on the trim. The cabin is drenched in premium materials, from deep pile carpeting to wood grain accents on the dash and door panels. Cadillac spared no expense when it came to convenience, offering features like automatic climate control, power windows, power seats, and an AM/FM stereo system, high-tech luxuries for 1968. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, featuring a horizontal speedometer and easy-to-reach controls, ensuring a smooth, effortless driving experience. Performance. Now let's talk performance, because the Eldorado wasn't just about looks and comfort, it packed some serious muscle under the hood. Powering this luxury icon is Cadillac's mighty 472 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 375 horsepower and a staggering 525 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a turbo-hydromatic 3-speed automatic transmission, this front-wheel drive beast was capable of delivering smooth yet authoritative acceleration. Yes, you heard that right, front-wheel drive. The Eldorado was one of the first American cars to adopt this configuration for improved handling and interior space. Despite its nearly 5,000-pound weight, it could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 8.5 seconds, which was impressive for a luxury coupe of its era. The ride quality. Pure Cadillac magic, soft, controlled, and quiet, thanks to a well-tuned suspension that absorbed bumps like they didn't exist. So, what's the conclusion? The 1968 Cadillac Eldorado was more than just a car, it was a symbol of American ambition and engineering excellence. With its cutting-edge design, lavish interior, and groundbreaking performance features like front-wheel drive, it set a new standard for personal luxury coupes. Even today, it remains a highly desirable classic for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate a blend of elegance, innovation, and raw power. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car reviews and automotive history. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you cruise in this American icon?